Are you living your life on your own terms, or are you trapped by the fear of being disliked? What is your definition of freedom? True freedom is living unapologetically in alignment with your principles, even if it means not pleasing everyone around you. Three ways to exercise and enjoy freedom for a purposeful life. Number one, embrace authenticity. Stop seeking approval. When you prioritize your values over others' opinions, you step into your authentic self. Number two, set boundaries. Learn to say no to what doesn't align with your purpose. Freedom thrives in clarity. Number three, take responsibility. Freedom comes with ownership. When you own your own choices, you create a path to a life filled with meaning and purpose. Remember, the cost of freedom is being disliked by some. But when you live aligned with your purpose, you gain something far more valuable: inner peace and fulfillment. So, dare to be free, dare to live your purposeful life.